Do you ever wonder if your financial plan is really working, or are you just going through the motions? Maybe you're saving, budgeting, and investing, but how can you know if it's all paying off? If you're unsure whether your efforts are leading you in the right direction, you're not alone. But here's the thing. There are clear signs that show your financial plan is actually working. In today's video, we're going to break down the top 8 signs that prove your financial strategy is on track and delivering results. Whether you're just starting or you've been following a plan for years, these signs will help you understand how well your finances are performing and what adjustments, if any, might be needed. Let's jump in. 1. Your net worth is consistently increasing. One of the clearest signs your financial plan is working is a steady increase in your net worth. Net worth is calculated by subtracting what you owe from what you own, giving you a snapshot of your financial health. If your net worth is consistently growing, that means you're accumulating more assets and reducing liabilities, 2 major indicators of financial success. Tracking your net worth over time helps you identify trends and measure progress. For example, if you've been paying down high-interest debt and building savings, your net worth should reflect these improvements. Even if you're not yet where you want to be, seeing consistent growth is a powerful motivator and shows that you're on the right path. If you're not tracking your net worth, it's time to start. This simple step will give you a clear picture of your financial progress, allowing you to adjust your strategy when needed. 2. You have a fully funded resilience reserve. Life is unpredictable, and one of the biggest benefits of a well-executed financial plan is a robust emergency fund. If you can cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses without stress or panic, it's a solid sign that your plan is providing real security. An emergency fund protects you from unexpected expenses, like medical bills, home repairs, or car troubles, preventing you from raiding your investments or relying on high-interest debt to cover these costs. In 2026, experts agree that having this safety net should be a top priority. It's not just about saving money. It's about giving yourself peace of mind knowing that you can weather the storm of life surprises without financial chaos. If you haven't reached this goal yet, it's time to prioritize building your resilience reserve. Start small, but aim to reach that 3 to 6 month benchmark as soon as possible. It's one of the clearest signs your plan is working. 3. Your debt-to-income ratio is under control. A healthy debt-to-income DTI ratio is a strong indicator that your financial plan is on track. In 2026, a good target for your DTI ratio is under 15% for consumer debt, meaning that no more than 15% of your monthly income goes toward paying off non-mortgage debt. If your DTI is too high, it could be a signal that you're relying too heavily on debt to maintain your lifestyle, which can make saving and investing harder. The key here is managing your debt load. If you're consistently paying off high-interest debt and avoiding new unnecessary lifestyle debt, you're building a strong financial foundation. With a low DTI, you're freeing up more of your income to put towards savings and investments, setting yourself up for future growth. Make sure to regularly check your DTI to ensure that it stays under control. If it's higher than you'd like, focus on paying down high-interest debt and work toward lowering that number, for you are paying yourself first automatically. A major success factor in any financial plan is paying yourself first. This means automatically setting aside money for savings and investments before paying bills or spending on non-essential items. By doing this, you make sure that your future financial security is prioritized. This is an essential habit to build wealth over time. The beauty of this habit is that it works automatically. No need for willpower or constant reminders. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts ensures that you save consistently without having to think about it. If you're already doing this, it's a clear sign that your plan is working and your savings are building steadily. To make the most of this strategy, automate as much as you can. Whether it's contributing to your retirement accounts, a rainy day fund, or your investment portfolio, paying yourself first ensures that you're always moving forward financially. 5. Your spending aligns with your values. Have you ever taken a step back to evaluate your spending? If you find that your expenses align with what truly matters to you, whether it's experiences, family, or health, then you're on the right track. A successful financial plan is one that helps you prioritize what you value most and avoid wasteful spending on things that don't contribute to your long-term happiness. Mindful spending is a key habit that many people overlook. But when you track your spending and ensure that it's going toward things that align with your values, you'll find that you're more satisfied with your purchases and have more money to save or invest. This habit helps prevent lifestyle inflation, where spending increases as income rises, which can often derail even the best financial plans. If you haven't evaluated your spending recently, now is a great time to do so. Identify areas where you can cut back and focus your resources on things that truly bring you joy or build long-term wealth. This simple habit is a clear sign your financial plan is in motion. 6. You are capturing the full employer match. If your employer offers a 401k or similar retirement plan with a matching contribution, and you're contributing enough to take full advantage of that match, your financial plan is already ahead of the game. This is often referred to as free money because it's essentially a 100% return on your investment. Missing out on this match is one of the most common financial regrets people have. Capturing the full employer match is a no-brainer. It's an easy way to supercharge your retirement savings without any additional effort. Whether your employer matches a percentage of your contributions or offers a fixed amount, taking full advantage of this benefit ensures that you're putting yourself in the best position for long-term growth. If you're not yet contributing enough to capture your employer's match, make it a priority to do so as soon as possible. This is a simple but powerful sign that your financial plan is working and setting you up for future success. 7. You outpace inflation with diversified investments. In 2026, simply saving money isn't enough. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your savings, meaning that if your money is just sitting in a low-interest savings account, you're effectively losing value over time. The key to fighting this is ensuring that your investments outpace inflation. A diversified investment strategy is the key here. By spreading your money across various assets, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and even newer options like crowd lending, you can reduce risk while increasing potential for higher returns. These investments can help preserve your wealth's purchasing power over the long term, ensuring that you don't fall behind as inflation rises. If your investment strategy includes diversification and is regularly outperforming inflation, it's a clear indicator that your financial plan is working. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed to keep up with economic changes. 8. You feel financial peace of mind. At the end of the day, one of the best signs that your financial plan is working is that you feel secure and confident about your financial future. If you've got your goals in place, your savings are growing, and your debts are under control, you'll likely feel a sense of financial peace of mind. This peace of mind comes from knowing that you've set up a financial plan that can weather unexpected expenses or changes in income. If you've updated your beneficiaries, secured proper insurance, and feel confident about the future, your plan is providing exactly what it was meant to: security and stability. Financial peace of mind is the ultimate reward of a well-executed financial plan. If you're feeling confident and stable in your financial life, it's a strong indicator that your plan is working and setting you up for long-term success. So, what does your financial plan look like? Are you seeing these signs of success? If you're consistently growing your net worth, managing your debt, saving automatically, and investing for future, you're on the right track. The key takeaway here is that small, consistent actions can create long-lasting financial success. By mastering these 8 signs, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom, peace of mind, and a secure future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable tips on personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.